Preparing for the NBDHE? This video breaks down the strategy for mastering the challenging 150 case-based questions. The NBDHE is a 9-hour, 350-question marathon. While many questions test your knowledge, the 150 case-based items are different. They don't ask what you know, they ask what you would do. You're given a full patient workup, charts, radiographs, medical history, and must make critical clinical judgments. This is where many strong candidates get tripped up. But with the right framework, you can turn this challenge into your strength and join the 92% of first-time candidates who pass. Your first step in any case is a rapid 30-second review of the medical history. Don't get lost in the details. You are hunting for red flags. Systematically scan for major categories: cardiovascular issues, bleeding disorders, infectious diseases, endocrine problems like diabetes, and any critical allergies. Ask yourself, does this patient need antibiotic prophylaxis? Are there contraindications for local anesthetic? What's the bleeding risk? Answering these questions first frames every subsequent decision you make and prevents critical errors in treatment planning. Next, dedicate 90 seconds to analyzing the radiographs. This is a high-yield area where many points are won or lost. Use a systematic approach. For a panoramic, scan from one side to the other, checking for pathology, bone levels, and restorative work. For bite wings, your focus is on interproximal caries, posterior bone levels, and calculus. Train your eyes to spot common findings like incipient caries, vertical bone loss, and periapical pathology. A disciplined radiographic review is absolutely essential for an accurate diagnosis. With medical and radiographic data in mind, spend 45 seconds on the periodontal chart. This is where you connect the dots for the periodontal diagnosis. Zero in on the critical data. Probing depths of 4 millimeters or more, the percentage of bleeding points, and any recession. Use these to calculate the clinical attachment loss, or CAL, which is key to staging the disease. Is it localized or generalized? Is it gingivitis or stage 1, 2, or 3 periodontitis? This systematic check ensures you correctly classify the patient. After gathering all your data, it's time to answer the questions. For treatment planning, use a strict priority framework. First, always address life-threatening conditions or medical emergencies. Second, focus on controlling active disease, like treating advanced periodontitis or deep caries. Third comes prevention, such as applying fluorides or sealants. And finally, you can plan for maintenance, like determining the recall frequency. This hierarchy provides a logical, defensible structure for your answers, ensuring you always choose the most critical intervention first. To maximize your score, concentrate on high-yield topics within the cases. Radiology is critical. You must be able to instantly recognize interproximal caries, bone loss patterns, and periapical radiolucencies. Next, master the 2017 AAP Periodontal Disease Classification System, including staging and grading. Finally, know the dental management implications of common medical conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and cardiac issues. A deep understanding of these specific areas will prepare you for a significant number of questions you're guaranteed to face. This systematic approach is your key to confidently navigating the NBDHE's case-based questions. Don't just memorize facts, learn to apply them clinically. For more in-depth strategies, a full 8-week study plan, and free practice questions that mirror the real exam, visit the full article on Open Exam Prep. Start building your confidence for test day.